Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have something interesting for you, and we are gradually going advanced day by day in repairing and maintenance for you, because I think you have understood what's the mechanism of treadmills. Okay, so in this case, this is the panel, this is the upper control card of a treadmill, and unfortunately due to some reasons we are unable to fix this, because if I can flip this card, and you can see here's a very short circuit, very simple circuit, and here you can see only one microcontroller and no resistors and nothing. So it's very simple card, but so in other words you can say there's no safety. For example, if the designer involves too many resistors, too many capacitors and too many things, so it's mean he or she embed some safeties with this card. So but in this particular card here you can say the optocouplers and the microcontroller. So in this card we are facing the problem with the programming, so we are unable to fix this. So what we can do, because the cost of treadmill is a bit high and we can't scrap those treadmills, so what we can do, I have imported some cards from China, and what I'm gonna do, I will replace this card with customized panel. So here I have something for you to show, and here's the panel. So I have developed this panel for this treadmill, and here it will look like this, and it's customized, and here's the logo of the gym, and here's the logo of the gym which I have for actually this is my customer, and I have developed this panel for my customer, and this is the customized panel, and I have used this screen in this card. And so here you can see from the back side I just use this LCD, and I have imported this from China, and it's pretty much simple, and you can find these things on internet if you are good enough to locate and outsource the things. So this panel can be programmed with any kind of inverters like VFD, the simple VFDs, which can work from 0 to 5 volt analog signal. So here I have the Yaskawa J100 inverter, and I will use this inverter with this panel, and it's a very cost-effective solution for the if your panel is faulty, so you can go for this solution. So although I got some services from other vendors for the designing of this card, for the cutting of this panel, but the installation and the programming is obvious at my end.